Hello friends! Have you ever noticed that your cruise control suddenly doesn't work, or maybe the check engine light just turned on? If your obd2 scanner is showing code P0567, this means there's an issue with the cruise control resume signal. This can cause your cruise control to fail to resume speed after braking or stopping. In this video, I'll explain what P0567 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0567? The P0567 code stands for Cruise Control Resume Signal Malfunction. The resume button on your cruise control lets you return to your previous speed after braking or disengaging the system. When the PCM, Powertrain Control Module, doesn't detect the right signal from this button, it triggers the P0567 code. This can cause your cruise control to stop working properly, making driving less convenient. Common symptoms of P0567. Cruise control resume button not working. Check engine light, CL, is on. Cruise control disengages but does not resume. Cruise control completely stops working. Unresponsive cruise control buttons. If you're facing these problems, let's locate the issue. To diagnose P0567, check these key components. Cruise control resume, button on steering wheel, near other cruise control buttons. Brake pedal position sensor near the brake pedal, mounted on brake pedal arm. Clutch pedal position sensor for manual cars, near clutch pedal detecting when pressed. Clock spring inside steering column, behind steering wheel. PCM usually in engine bay or under dashboard, processing cruise control signals. Wiring running from steering wheel buttons, brake sensor, clutch sensor to PCM. If cruise control buttons and horn stop working, faulty clock spring might be the issue. Common causes of P0567 faulty cruise control resume. Button, worn out or broken, fails to send resume signal. Defective brake pedal position sensor. PCM doesn't get correct signal to resume. Broken or worn clock. Spring interrupts communication between steering wheel buttons and PCM. Faulty clutch pedal position sensor. Cruise control doesn't resume after clutching. Wiring issues or corrosion. Broken or loose wires stop resume signal from reaching PCM. PCM ECU malfunction. Rare issue, but PCM can't process resume signal triggers P0567. How to fix P0567. Use obd2 scanner to confirm P0567 and check for related codes. Test cruise control resume button with multimeter. If unresponsive, replace it. Inspect brake pedal position sensor. If pressing brake cancels cruise but doesn't allow resume, replace sensor. Check clutch pedal position sensor for manual cars. If cruise control doesn't resume, replace it. Inspect clock spring if other steering wheel buttons are also failing. Check wiring and connectors near brake and clutch pedals for loose or corroded connections. Reset PCM and test cruise control system after repairs. Ignoring P0567 can make your cruise control unreliable, affecting your driving comfort and safety. Fixing it early keeps your car running smoothly. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0380, glow plug heater circuit malfunction, bank 1, P0381, glow plug indicator circuit malfunction. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.